Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to set up the Sibley Fly for the 600 twin tent. Let's get started. The Fly is an accessory that provides extra protection for your tent. It's available for Sibley models from 300 to 800 in nylon UV and all-purpose versions. Time to set it up. Unroll the Fly at the back of the tent and identify the front side. With two people, grab a side guy line and pull the Fly over the tent step by step. Place the metal ring over the pin of the A-frame and put the rain cap on top. Repeat this for all three A-frames. Attach the guy lines of the Fly to the same pegs used for the tent. Make sure the lines follow the seams and use at least 2/3 of the line length for proper tension. Ensure the Fly hangs a few centimeters above the tent fabric for adequate ventilation. That's how you install the Sibley Fly for the 600 twin tent. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!